Hi everyone. Today we have this KAESER SX6 air compressor. Uh, it's a 4 kilowatt air compressor by 600 liters per minute. It's made in 2004 and up to 13 bars, which is really powerful and strong compressor. Let me tell you about this tremendous work we have done on this machinery in particular. The regular service has been done. We have changed the oil filter, aero separator, and also air filter. New sets of O-rings and sealings are being replaced on this machine. Intake valve set and also minimum pressure valve is been replaced. Also new set of pneumatic hoses, this one and this one. Also new pair of SKF bearings on electric motor are been fitted in. It's around 90,000 hours on this particular machine. Installed the new cabin filter, and the soundproof insulation on the hatch is been upgraded, so this compressor is even more silenced that it was in its original state. And that's about it. Let's try it out. Thank you very much. Good luck on your bids.